Your life passes you by. You see how everything fades away. All the people you love begin to die. You forget how precious memories are. I'm a renegade, walking through the fire, with a heart of steel.
Get ready to embark on an exciting journey with the all-new 2025 Nissan Kicks, offering a first look at the redesigned interior and exterior of this Japanese subcompact SUV. With its sleek new design, advanced technology, and enhanced features, the 2025 Kicks promises to redefine urban driving in style and comfort. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Nissan Kicks boasts a fresh and modern design that commands attention on the road. With its bold lines, aggressive stance, and distinctive V-motion grille, this SUV exudes confidence and sophistication, setting it apart from the competition. Moving to the interior, the Kicks offers a spacious and comfortable cabin that's designed with both driver and passengers in mind. Premium materials, ergonomic design, and thoughtful touches create an inviting atmosphere that's perfect for both daily commutes and weekend getaways. One of the standout features of the 2025 Nissan Kicks is its advanced technology suite, which includes a range of connectivity and entertainment options to keep you connected and entertained on the go. From the latest infotainment system to smartphone integration features, the Kicks puts everything you need right at your fingertips. But it's not just about technology. The Kicks also prioritizes safety with a suite of driver assistance features designed to enhance confidence and peace of mind behind the wheel. From automatic emergency braking to blind spot monitoring, the Kicks offers a comprehensive safety net to help protect you and your passengers on every journey.
All the people you love begin to die. You forget how precious memories are.
In addition to its stylish design and advanced features, the 2025 Nissan Kicks is also efficient and environmentally friendly, with a fuel-efficient engine and eco-friendly materials used throughout the vehicle. Overall, the new 2025 Nissan Kicks represents a bold step forward in the world of subcompact SUVs, combining style, comfort, and technology in a package that's perfect for modern urban living. So, join us in celebrating the first look at the redesigned Kicks and experience the future of driving today.
Trying to change something, you trying to change. Realize that you can do nothing. You cannot escape the death even it makes you afraid. You should show her.